Welcome back to SK Tech. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix the Canon LBP6030 printer not detected issue during driver installation. I had the same issues with my own printer. And this is how I finally fixed it. First of all, you need to download the printer driver Canon official site. Type the printer model here. Once you enter it, you will see the printer driver and select the current OS version, but it should normally get detected. Click Download File, then click Yes. While downloading, please subscribe to my channel. Once the setup is downloaded, you need to double-click on the setup, and it will get automatically extracted in a folder. Basically, these are the extracted folders. We will be needing only UEFI to driver from these folders. Select your Windows bit version and run the setup. So this is how we usually install this Canon printer driver. Now you need to select Connect via USB cable. Now connect the printer via cable and then power on the printer. Driver software should be able to detect the printer. But in this case, the problem is printer won't get detected. Now let me show you how to fix this quickly in Windows 11 devices. And for Windows 10 I will upload a separate video with a different solution soon. Now again navigate to the downloaded driver and click on Offer to and then select bit version and then select driver folder. And copy the file path as shown in this video. Click on the Start menu and type Computer Management. And then you need to click on Run as Administrator and then click on Device Manager. Now you need to click on your computer name as shown in this video. And then you will see in Options to add the printer drivers manually. Paste the URL that you have already copied from the printer driver folder. Now we have installed the printer driver manually into the system. Now, when you go to printer driver folder and try to install the printer should automatically get detected and successfully installed. Try this and comment below. If you face any issues during the installation, please leave a comment and I will respond to you ASAP.